Hey guys, it's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, my podcast. Today we're talking about FHA Multifamily Investing Loans. Did you know you can actually buy a multifamily rental property up to 4 units with only 3.5% down? Now most banks want 20% down to buy a rental property, investment property. This is a strategy that you can use all over the country, whether you're in New York, Hawaii, California, Florida, Texas, doesn't matter. We can make these loans to you and you can buy up to a 4-unit property with only 3.5% down. Today we're talking about the benefits and the requirements of FHA multifamily investing. So it's a great way to build your rental property portfolio, build cash flow. You can also, you do this if you're a veteran, you can do VA loans up to a 4-family with 0 down. But here you don't have to be a veteran. You can buy this property, you know, some areas over $1 million and only have to put 3.5% down, and you can collect cash flow rental. So here's the benefits and the requirements. We're going to talk about this today. So FHA multifamily investing, as we said, it's up to 4 units. Up to 1 to 4 family is considered residential. It's not considered commercial. Only when you go to a 5-family is it considered commercial. So they want to see at least a 660 or higher credit score, guys. 660 or higher FICO, that's your middle credit score. You have 3 scores. You have Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. They want to see the middle credit score at least 660 or higher. The debt ratios, your back-end debt ratio cannot exceed 45%. But good news, if you're just living in one of the units, you get to collect the rental income on your application, on your loan application as rental income. So let's say that, for example, you're buying a 4-family, right? It's a 4-family, and your income is $4,000 a month, and then the rents are $3,000. Well, now your new income is $7,000 a month, guys, because you collect the income from the other 3 units. So one of the units you're going to live in, the other 3 units you're going to collect rental income. So your income is going to go up to $7,000 a month. So now your debt ratio is going to go down, so you can actually qualify to get that property. Now, the loans in a lot of the areas for FHA, like in New York, California, you can go over $1 million property, 1.2, 1.4, depending on what county you're in, right? So you can buy a very nice property. Hawaii, $1.5 million, $2 million in some areas in Hawaii. They do want to see reserves. So here's the thing. Because you're buying a rental property and the tenants could vacate, they want to see that you have cash reserves in your bank account at least 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months of PITI payments they want to see in the bank account to make sure if the tenant leaves, you can make the payment. What if the tenant vacates? You have to be able to make the payment for them. So that's what this is about here. 3 to 6 months of cash reserves required in the bank account to make sure that you have the money, okay? Why? Because let's say the tenant leaves and you got to make that payment. They want to make sure you have the money. So this isn't something like if you're broke, you got to have some reserves in your bank account, but this is a great way how to build cash flow for rental properties, and you don't need 20% down. Now, we've been lending nationwide for over 20 years, so call us at 832-431-6331. Also, if you have any ideas for any videos that you want to see, leave them down in the comment box down below. Check us on our YouTube channel, our Instagram. We work very, very hard to empower the world. It's where America goes for funding is Angelo Christian. Call or text. You can text that number. You can also click on that link below to get signed up to get pre-approved. We make these loans to people. We're not just a YouTuber or informational site. We actually we're the lender. We're the direct lender that can make the loan to you. So if you're needing to get funding for this type of property, we can make this loan to you. Our minimum loan amount for residential is $200,000. We go down to a 640 credit score. So if we can help you with FHA multifamily to build your portfolio, call or text us at 832-431-6331 and check out my next video, guys.